Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Grayson County in north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Howe, or 8 miles south of Sherman, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tom Bean around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Right stripe around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bells around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather